WHOP's all-in-one platform empowers you to take control of your business without the headaches that often accompany online selling. By integrating essential features, it not only saves time but also enhances your productivity. From tracking customer engagement to analyzing sales data, WHOP puts the power back in your hands, making it easier than ever to understand your audience and see what resonates with them. WHOP also provides seamless integration with marketing tools, allowing you to effectively reach potential customers. You can create promotions, utilize email marketing strategies, and gather insights on user behavior, all within one platform. This means you don't have to divide your attention between multiple services. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Additionally, WHOP offers robust support resources, including tutorials and a dedicated customer service team to ensure you maximize your experience. These features collectively create an environment where creators can thrive while focusing on what matters most, their unique content. WHOP's analytics tools are particularly noteworthy, providing you with invaluable insights into customer behavior and purchasing patterns. Imagine having the ability to see how many visitors are converting into buyers or which products are generating the most interest. This data enables creators to make informed decisions on product offerings and marketing strategies. Furthermore, you can identify trends over time, allowing you to adapt to shifting demands in your niche. Whether tweaking your sales approach or introducing new products, the analytics from WHOP allows for a data-driven mindset that propels your business forward. With features like customer segmentation and automated messaging, WHOP empowers you to tailor your marketing efforts to specific audience segments. Imagine sending personalized emails to different groups based on their interests, enhancing engagement and increasing the likelihood of conversions. This functionality not only saves time but also creates a more meaningful connection with your customers, ensuring they feel valued and understood. Since understanding your customer is pivotal to growing your business, these tools are essential for any creator looking to make an impact in their market. As you harness these capabilities, the potential for growth becomes increasingly tangible, providing a clear path to success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. With WHOP, creators can also collaborate effortlessly with team members or partners. Sharing access permissions ensures that everyone involved in the business can contribute without complications. Whether it's assigning tasks, managing inventory, or strategizing marketing campaigns, WHOP's collaborative features streamline the process, enhancing teamwork and productivity. Furthermore, as your business expands, easily scaling your operations becomes increasingly straightforward. You can add new products or services and even manage different subscription tiers, allowing you to meet diverse customer needs effortlessly. By nurturing a supportive environment, WHOP strengthens your business foundation, empowering you to innovate and grow without limits. In today's fast-paced digital age, staying competitive is essential. That's where the power of WHOP shines brightly. Providing an all-in-one solution not only suits the diverse needs of creators but also encourages innovation and creativity. Imagine being able to focus solely on producing outstanding content while WHOP handles the rest, from payment processing to customer engagement. This way, creators can dedicate their valuable time to crafting their masterpieces, knowing that their business operations are in safe hands. With WHOP, you can transform your passion into a thriving online business, ushering in new opportunities for revenue and growth. Ultimately, the road to success is more accessible with a supportive platform backing you. WHOP's benefits extend beyond core functionalities. In fact, it fosters a community of creators who can share experiences, tips, and insights with one another. Engaging with like-minded individuals helps you learn from others' journeys and apply successful strategies to your own. For instance, you might discover best practices for pricing or promotional techniques that spark interest in your offerings. As you collaborate and network, your personal growth as a creator naturally accelerates, enhancing your capability to thrive in a competitive market. You won't just build a business, you'll establish relationships that nurture your passion and propel your endeavors forward. Embrace the opportunity to connect and grow with others who understand the unique challenges you face on this digital journey. With WHOP, the incessant juggling between various tools is eliminated, enabling you to streamline your entire workflow. You can focus on what truly matters, creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. As you gain more insight into customer behaviors and preferences, you will be better positioned to adjust your offerings and marketing strategies accordingly. The easiness of managing everything in one unified environment fosters not just efficiency, but also sparks creativity. In a world where time is precious, WHOP helps you reclaim it, thus empowering you to concentrate on growing your community and enhancing your customers' experiences. By removing barriers typically associated with selling, WHOP allows creators to thrive in ways that were once difficult to imagine. As you explore WHOP, you'll appreciate how it fosters creativity while simplifying your sales process. Creators can experiment with new product ideas, potentially leading to fresh revenue streams without the burden of administrative burdens. Imagine launching a new digital course or exclusive membership with just a few clicks, creating avenues for engagement and growth. With WHOP managing the complexities, your focus can remain solely on bringing your unique vision to life. WHOP's streamlined approach not only simplifies the complexities of online selling, but also cultivates a creative environment. The platform empowers you to innovate without worrying about intricate processes, freeing you to concentrate on developing new content that attracts your audience. With WHOP, every aspect of your online business is optimized, allowing for growth, creativity, and connection with customers. The potential for unforgettable experiences is vast, and ultimately, it positions you to succeed in the dynamic digital landscape. WHOP is more than just a tool, it's a gateway to turning your ideas into impactful businesses. By fostering a community of creators and providing the necessary resources, it empowers you to excel in your niche and adapt to ever-changing market demands. Embrace WHOP and unlock the potential for your online success.